Fire people, welcome back. Please FLAMMA. Again, doing some live trading. I just made a video of course, if you know another one. So if you want to watch it, go ahead and go for it. And as well, I made an indicator new. I will explain a little bit more about it. Every time I drop some product, I mean a software, of course it's a digital product, I will try to explain it. I will have everything on my bio, people. Remember that. I'm kind of chill. I mean, it's Thursday and price is dumping, gold is dumping. Shout out to TGR. The reason why I said that is because actually doesn't like to trade gold. I understand it. I mean, when you trade Nasdaq, gold for you might actually be kind of low. The thing is, for me, the reason why I don't trade Nasdaq is because I don't trade futures at the moment on my broker. My broker is not for futures. It's actually for more of gold, forex. I could trade Nasdaq, but it will be the CFD, which is the replication of the actual price of the futures. And for me to trade futures, I will have to do it from an exchange. Because actually there's a lot of brokers that don't offer futures. And as well, because when I do prop, I actually go for gold and that's it. So I don't know why I'm explaining this, but maybe the worship. They'll put some house music maybe, but okay, so good. This will be the first this is the hour that you want to wait for. And I pointed out already, I think today is gonna be bearish. Although I want to see what it drops, because if it's gonna drop out on discount, it's easy. I'll wait for a power for the price to close either above or below. If it closes, if you know as well, or explain it. And I wouldn't even get tired explaining actually everything, every single thing. I explain AMT, I always have to explain it. No problem for me. If it closes below, then you open, go for a high, meaning I'll reverse. If it goes for below it, then I'll go for a short. The truth is, I'm in a context as well, because context always matters. Going below 3,000, it's gonna be complicated in terms of trading it. If price destroys this low, dude, I don't know what's going to happen. It could happen again as well. The price could respect it, 335.40. It's gonna go again back to 400, but dude, gold is not in a good moment. I mean, since I am an intraday trader, talking just about trading inside of a day, looking for long positions, if you think price is gonna be bullish, or short positions, if you think price is gonna be short. Yeah, but if you think about being investing as an investor, dude, having gold now, you must be like taking liquidity now, because cost. The truth is, it's not good right now. And as well with our stocks, this month is weak. This month is kind of weird. These weeks as well. And as investors as well, every day I check out my portfolio, man, and it's, wow, dude, it's not looking. But hey, it is what it is. Good. Consistency, man. I'm gonna give you, so I'm gonna get anything at the end. It's just consistent. People who end up winning are always the same people that end up lasting. Lasting not in a way of bad, lasting meaning that endure, And the Bible says to endure, so I know just being consistent is gonna pay off. And it's paying off. I'm seeing results. I'm becoming the person I never thought I would be in the past. So okay, so I want to see this being closed. The thing is, the reason why actually is better to wait 1 hour, it means, take this 4:30 and then wait for even better the next hour for the next candle. It's because it's better. Let me see if it worked, for example. Oh, look at this. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, no, what it was. Oh, yeah. It closed above and boom. Let me see if it did. then the next 15 minutes it went in, it tapped, and then so we worked the 15. Although again for the Powell, it's actually in your open, not 3 p.m. So it's not. What would be 9 for you? So I would say that where this one closes. Again, this is not it. Although look at this. Again, even if it closes, I will still have to wait for the manipulation of price going, or the market going to the entry, and then from that go for the extension. It's always like that. I don't trade the manipulation. I trade the extension of the bias, waiting for that pullback, that retracement, whatever you want to call it. Oh, wait, yeah. So it's up to you. I'll put some videos now as a background, but the problem is copyright is gonna jump, and that's a problem. I already have problems with Sade. I put Sade in the background, and dude, I don't know why in Russia I think it's banned. I understand it, but I wanna, my videos to be taken down, and I know I'm gonna earn money in the future, so I'm not gonna risk it. So I still need to find music that actually has no copyright. Actually, the majority of them are willing to not have one, but just in case. Chaos. Of course, the problem is price is actually moving slow and it's bearish. Let me see how Nasdaq is doing. Oh wow, what is all this, dude? Okay, this is my indicator of, again, if you're not seeing it clear, I understand that, but this is too much volume even for me, man. This is my absorption. I know it's kind of dots, kind of looking goofy, but again, it pays off. But I don't want this for the moment. I just want to have clear. Although again, if someone sells your product and I'm not using it, something's up, Not me though. Everything I do, I use it. The journal, the indicators, everything. So, and the ebooks as well. Now Nasdaq as well is actually good. 3 p.m. now 3:30. Oh no, this was from yesterday. Today is nothing. I mean, it's normal. Last 2 days, what happened? Volatility, very volatile. Both pairs, gold, Nasdaq as always. I mean, are both related. And today there's actually no news. I mean, there was orange news. I'm just looking at the forecast and what happened actually. Nothing actually, literally. And tomorrow as well, Trump will speak at 3 p.m. at 3 a.m. Oh, this is a suggestion for me. I'm not trading that, dude. Oh, no, I'm not. So I think I'm not gonna trade at the moment. Again, for me, I only trade if my setup is met. If it's not, then I'm not trading. That's it. So simple. What is this? Yeah, it's 15 minutes. Let me check the 15 minutes as well. It's actually kind of, there's a 30. I understand that waiting 30 minutes might actually not be for everyone. But I recommend you one thing, and it's if you want to hop in maybe at 4 p.m., do it. The reason why I stream at 3:30 is because I want to max the candle. I mean, I want to check on the candle, and then I will wait. Although my trades could be at 4:30, but it's what it is. Because yesterday was the same, dude. I waited like for it to close, and then the next candle, and it was actually very well because it was actually as well bearish. The candle was bullish. Price was below, although it was very tight. Explain as well. Waited for the manipulation. It happened. It was the RB there, the rejection block, and everything was good because at the end I was in the middle of premium and CRTH, so I had a +3 A+, if I can even say that. Perfect, and actually dumped. Of course, I ended up losing because my entry was too. How would it say this? It was too tight. No, it was early than it was supposed to, but it is what it is. Hey homie, I can share stream. Mott Tazar22, appreciate the comments. Hey homie, I can share your stream in a cute community to help hit 1,000 followers and 100 viewers. I also earn 1,000 per stream. Add me on Discord, Catter73. I appreciate it, man. I always appreciate, even if you're a bot or you're trying to hustle things, even if you're trying to scam me, well, I appreciate that hustle. I don't think it's a scam, but I'm gonna pass. But I'm grateful for it, dude. But not a moment now. I wanna do it organic. Posting my videos, streaming every day, doing my live videos as well, posting on YouTube, and making content. That's what I like to do. At the moment, I'm not into paying for me to grow. I mean, in terms of paying for an audience now. It's always saying nothing yet. Nothing's happening, dude. Remember, if you my indicators, oh, dude, mild morning. Yeah, I'm seeing now stock market. Kind of green, kind of red. Um, is wild. July is usually a entering to Q3. July usually ends up being bullish, but the truth is, we are in the times where you don't even know what's going to happen. So, um, I don't know. Okay, so it's gonna close this candle at 6 minutes now. Apologies for that. 6 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait, and then at 30, if something is gonna happen. This is vibe coded. Yeah, this is vibe coded. Again, I'm a developer, so I know what I'm doing as well. I don't have a problem with AI. Actually, I use AI. It would be wild to be fool to not use it. The problem is using it without having actual knowledge on how to use it. You don't need to be an expert of coding as well. You don't need to be, but at least having the concepts would be great to understand what you're doing, what the AI is doing for you, and that's it. But again, there's no problem. Everyone has to earn a living, so. Okay. Nothing yet. It's gonna be boring. The reason why I'm actually concerned is gold being below again 4K. I know this last couple of days and even weeks, gold has been bad, very, very bad. But dude, it just sucks to see gold at this. I mean, 4K is still good. Last 2 years it was at 2,000, so it made at 2,000%. I know that, but coming from a 5K literally last year on January, or I think it was December, dude, it's kind of you expected it much. And the same thing with Bitcoin, man, 60K. I mean, that's why you need to understand as an investor, your investments are not always gonna be green. There will be times gonna be red. You will suffer recessions. You will suffer retracement, big ones. But the thing is, I mean, if in the past 6 years, price has been at 60K, now it's back at 60K, something is up. I'm just saying. The thing is, even if you set all-time highs, you already made profit. You can make, of course, you can go higher, but at the same time, but in the end, it will end up coming back. You know what I mean? That's what I said. If you're scared of selling, I don't want to sell. I want to make even more money. I mean, I understand that as a trader and as an investor myself, when I see everything going on, my portfolio is green, going every single day. I see it pushing and pushing and pushing my stocks, my investments. I see everything well. My mindset is go for more. Be hungry. But I as well, I know if something goes all time highs, it's concerning. You know that's gonna drop at some point in the next couple months. It's gonna be something bad, and you can hold it, HODL, or hold. I mean HODL. It would be like that, but you can hold, or you can sell it a bit, maybe some positions. You will still be in profits, and it's better to sell at high time than selling at your entry. You know what I mean? Going break even is not good. So, and more in crypto. I mean, in crypto and meme coins, I was a meme coin trader in the past. The reason why I didn't do it more is because for me, I would not say it's gambling because at the end you can make a lot of money of it. But for me, it wasn't just for me. I'm also a day trader now, so I'm more into it. Trade. Nice AP here. Okay, so still waiting. It's gonna be like this. The reason I'm not doing anything else because for me there's no need to. Look, there's liquidity here already. Price took out and respected. There's 73.50 as well. Almost 30. But on my perspective is always 50 and everything. That's what real counts. That's it. That's why I have it here 0, 0, 0 and fives. Nothing more. Well, zero actually. Okay, nothing's happening. I just want to see it close, where it actually closes. I mean, just by seeing how this candle, 30 minutes candle, is closing below this two candlesticks, you understand by reading price action that price gonna be lower. I don't know if today price could be easily back to 4K. I mean, it could easily go to at least 4K, but going to 450, 450, 440, I just don't know. Um, because price could still be. I mean, this is good. Yeah. Sorry, just to check something. Because price still, what? Price still could be moving lower, being bearish still. I know for a fact it's gonna be bearish. It's not looking good. I just know that it's not looking good. And the truth is, what I want to see for me that matters is just price going higher. Even if the next candle goes higher from it, it will give me a little bit of confidence to go for a long. But knowing that price actually close to discount, it would not be very bad to go for it. At the end, I'm in a half level. The problem is price now as it's going is closer to the discount than half level. The gap is actually big. It's very wide, and it's not literally here, but actually discount. Well, CRT, sorry, CRT. I should put the discount here. It will be the same thing still. The discount and CRT. The reason why I did it because of course look at this, dude. This is from today, 12. Boom, it closed. It closed even above below. That's why it continued to be bearish. And this one was the one that ended up giving its own tomb in gold. Wow. I mean, from a high time frame perspective, seeing this, the investors of gold, they don't want to make. They're not very sure. They're just dumping and gold's being negative. I mean, gold is being bearish still. So a lot of them are actually selling their positions. I mean, if you have physical gold, you have like bars of gold, still keep it. I mean, it's still 4K, close to it. And in the next couple of months, if you want to hold it, then of course I think it's going to be bullish. But from what I'm seeing, dude, I can guarantee you it's not looking good. Look at this accumulation, dude. It sucks. This is price action of Thursday. Some dumping, accumulation for almost 5 hours, I would say. Yeah, and then dump again. So I would not be surprised if today's accumulation. I mean, this is a good movement. This is good. Close above. Now I have the 30. Where it closed. Okay, so this is okay. What's happening? Okay, this is the 31. Okay. Oh, it's closing above. If it closes above, not above, I could go for a long here, but it'd be complicated. Okay, I'm gonna go now for a 50 minutes. 5 minutes to go for my GAN box. Again, my GAN box are not usually. I usually for low time frame just to keep the tracement in a good. I'm gonna take this high, or this low and high, and look at it. Look, close to discount as well. What price is this? 90, perfect. And this is 82.50, perfect as well. Good amount of levels to actually buy, but still kind of intrigued by this CRTH. That's why if price was literally on CRTL, then I would not have no problem in going to long. But knowing that there's liquidity here above, below, and even more from the previous, that's what actually concerns me. But as well, what matters is the candle now, this 30 minutes. That's what matters. I'm going to see what happens. So I'm going to be like 30 minutes just watching. That's what you do in trading, dude. It's just waiting. Most of you are not willing to But again, I'm streaming, so that's what it is. What it is. If it has to be 1 hour and a half, so even me maybe not doing anything, dude, I have to. I'm willing to. Okay, so at the moment I'm gonna do stuff. I'm gonna put some. Well, I'm gonna put this alerts on these levels, literally on the game box, and that's it. And that's it. While that, I'm building some software more. So I'm gonna put some music to not make this boring, and I hope the copyright when I jump. Get in, lads. Rigged, rigged, and rigged. That's what I said on my video, man. if if entertainment is great, imagine how much more the stock market do. When you're gonna learn, people, that everything it is marked up. Perfect. Okay. Do something. Okay, let me see. This is the New York Open. I just want to see. I mean, is it close? Dude, I have to literally pull this one out. Oh, dude. What does the VRR says about this? Okay, I don't know, chat. I don't know what to say about this, dude. Let's say this is bearish, okay? It's very much. Fuck, it's very tight. And it has to be that tight, dude. What's this? What is this, dude? Comments is like the Reddit. I'm telling you, I don't want that. A group chat will be actually good. A group voice, you know. Everyone will be spamming Nick. Oh. Yeah. Nothing happening yet. No, dude, this is boring. Price action sucks. Oh yeah, 30 minutes, that's it. Okay. I just want to see it above, close above, and then for that I'm gonna go free entry, coming here again, and that's it. But at the moment, this is gonna be my rejection block. There's no FBG, so the confidence has to be an A. Again, this is the only thing I'm concerned for. This is the CRTL, but I have to trust it, and that's it. Again, I'm going against the bias, dude. This is complicated. But it will be a reversal, so as well, it makes sense. So, and price respect already is 75, I would say. So, rejection block, beautiful RV. Here's the. Can I make this? I'm gonna make this actually very much tighter. That's it. Just for it to actually. New York. This is my time zone. Perfect. Okay, so it's gonna be already 4:10. 23 more minutes to see where it closes, and then from then going for the entry. That's it. I know I have to wait literally like 1 hour, but I think it is what it is. That's why I think maybe I should start at 4, you know, not at 3 p.m. 3:30, but I think it's gonna be good. The good thing is at this time, price actually starts to move even more faster. You know what I mean? Rapidly. Because after that volume, that accumulation volume from, for example, look, this is accumulation still. This is neurocopen, as always, accumulating. Yeah, good movement in terms of, you know, bearish, and that's it. Almost covering all the movements, actually did. Accumulating, but now for me, all this still accumulation. So, expected it. So for now, the good sign is actually just going to be bullish. What I think will happen is price will end up touching this. But what I want to see is price coming back to it. At least once. I'm not expecting twice, although always there's a lot of times that happen. I'm waiting at least one, and that moment I'm gonna go for the long. That's it. But look at how close we are actually. That's why I'm saying this is 75, good price as well to buy. But still, the bias, literally look at the PO free candle, dude. Again, if you want a candle, it's PO free. When on daytime, I have all my indicators here. They're not free, but there's no problem if you know if you're willing to flame it, you're willing to pay. So it's up to you, people. Then again, we're going for a long there. The only thing I didn't offer, after everything I've been offering, is signals to Jones. Okay, let me see something beautiful today, please. Please. Not this. Okay, jumping in a bit, so let me see. Still, this could close literally below, so, and it is going to close below. That is a good thing. Okay, that's not a bad thing, that's actually a good thing. Okay, wait, so the RB, what should be? I'm thinking, should the RB be? No, no, that would be bullish. Oh, now I understand everything. No, yeah, I was actually thinking about something else. No. Okay, so again, in the RB, you wanna wait for price to actually close. Still, I think it's gonna close below. We're gonna bearish. But what matters is this candle. I think it's gonna close below. Good thing. It closes below. Again, we'll wait for is an entry here, which is very good because we 90, close in the middle of the gun box, discount price. I mean, that's good, but there's no half level. I mean, there's no fair value gap, there's no order block, there's nothing. Oh yeah, I mean the 5 minutes. Look at this fair value gap, and look at this order flow. Order block. I don't even know. OB, okay, order block. Yeah, sorry. And then go for that short. That could be a good. What is this? That could be a good one. Again, people as well always remind you that if you need someone doing your brand for your ads as a brand, one moment, one sec. Hold up. Okay. Good. So again, it's resisting still like 15 more minutes, 14 in this case. I want to see it. If it closes below, it will actually make more sense for me. So what I would like to see is to close it below. Of course, at the end I adapt, but for me the perfect setup would be if it closed below. I think it would, but if in case it doesn't, then I still wait for manipulation here and then for long, and if it's not, wait for a manipulation here and go for it. That's it. Wait a little bit, wait one more. Wait. Okay, it's closing actually above. Still 30 minutes, 10 more minutes, and that's it. Giving good signs actually. Let me see my order flow a little bit. Wow, dude, it's a good push. Okay, let me see. Is there some volume there? Actually does. Wow, dude. Again, what matters if it closes. I'm not reading all that. Okay. Good push. Very, very good push. I want to see something close to it. It's going to be 10 minutes. If this closes above, I'm going to wait for price to come back against the RB, fill it a bit, maybe even to the middle, 85. And then from then, go for the entry. I will put my long, of course. That's it. Wow, dude. There's no matches today, so that's kind of boring. The next match is going to be on 2 days, Saturday. Of course, going to be no trade there, so tomorrow's going to be my last day of trading this week. Of course, Friday. If I actually trade, of course. The thing is, what I would like to see, I mean, look at this. Price trying to push, the market's trying to push price higher. They're failing. I mean, they're getting absorbed. How do you spot the difference between absorption and with the reversal, then a fake out? Well, very simple. I mean, I think as you will see price actually, but you will see the bubbles and everything depending on software absorption. But what you want to see is continuously price trying to push. It failed once, twice, and even three. You would say this is support resistance. I mean, if you see that much and consecutively, you know, it's like again and again trying to push price higher and they're still failing, at some point it has to break and it has to stop and finally continue with the bias it actually is. But you know, but look at this. I mean, it's very clear. There's some absorption fields accumulation. So I'm still waiting for it to kind of close below this. And again, for me to close, always be, if it's bullish, it will be this, and if it's bearish, it will always be like this, for example. Okay, 3 more minutes. I mean, 3 minutes. No, I mean 7 minutes. Okay, let me look at this. I don't have AC charge for my Mac. This is made by Claude, dude. I know this. Can't tell you this right now. Six more minutes. Okay, still bullish, so but bullish, but it's not a big, you know. That's why I'm still concerned about this one. So I don't know. Good push. I mean, I already have two options, so it is what it is. The good thing is that it's resisting, so it actually could be bullish. And for me, I'll have to go for a CRTH, you know, if it's actually bullish. Come on, I just want to see a sweet 4 more minutes. It looks like it's gonna be bullish. I'm gonna take out this. Look at the CRT there. Look at the entry. Very tight still. It's closing. So what I want to see now, bullish. I want to see manipulation going here because the discount RB. I mean, it makes sense, but still the CRTL as I always said, and then go for a long. They put 5 minutes, but look at this, dude. I think it could go easily to 4K again and then drop. The thing is, it does go up. When do I actually, because there are times that price will just live without you and then end up coming back but even later. Well, that's the thing as well, it happens. Okay, so I just have to win, that's it. Okay, bullish still. 1 more minute. I want to see this. And I'm going to point out. Okay, perfect. This one's going to be the closing. Going to be only one. I'll point out something. For example, this close. Points. It's gonna be 16:30. Perfect. That's absolutely what I want to see. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna go for a long. That's it. At what price do I want to sell it to? I think 85 is gonna be good. You know why 85 is good? Because at the end, RB, I know this how this one plays, and I think very, very much good. And I'm gonna target this one. I know, it's very much, but I think this one too. It's kind of big, but it is what it is. Even more, I would do 60 ticks. Maybe 1-4, maybe. But I want to see that, so I'm gonna click it. I want to see it too long, dude. Look at this. It's very good because this is 85 in the middle of the RB as well. I'll go this here, but that's why I give it kind of space. I mean, 60 ticks, I could easily go for this. 74, it will be no problem for me as well. But I'm giving a lot of space. Okay. Okay, this is the entry. Look at this. This is the open. It closed above. This is actually a closed candle. So what you want to see, I just pointed out. You didn't have to point this one out. But again, the only reason why I did it is because look at this. It's gonna go to the gun box, half level. There's a discount, and then below that, always a little bit more, just in case that price will actually go here. It's at 80 as well. It's respected. But the reason why I didn't do it higher here or even lower, just a little bit lower, is because I know that price could actually get here. Again, this is up to you. It depends on how you do it. But it's gonna be 74 ticks and 70 and 200 ticks. So. Okay, good. It's a good push. Just a push. I mean, I have a low battery now, and I think I'm gonna. I should stream a Thor, maybe, you know. Should I bring my? No more volumes, dude. Weird. Yeah, volumes actually. Yeah, told you. I think it could go back at least to the GAN box and even here. I'm just gonna leave it at 8510. And that's it. Look at this. I'm gonna respect it again. Look. I told you I was gonna go to the GAN box. Didn't cost my though. I don't need it to. So I'm already watching the. I mean, if it blows in now, it goes up and nothing much. It doesn't come back. I would just leave it and that's it. But I have to close at least at 5. It's already 1 hour. Okay. But still, the price is what? Accumulation. I leave there. I already left. There's another more 30 minutes. Look at that. I mean, the reason why I only left the buy limit is just for case reason. I knew that price would accumulate. That's why I left this to be played later or even more later, you know. How much would this one be? I always love to see like the money of it. 41 and 13. It's not that bad actually to lose. I know it's kind of big, but I used to have a lot of tight stop losses too. I mean, wow. Like this is 73. I put it this low, and this is 75, 77. Entry is 85, and exit is what 80.55. It's actually very good. Apologies, my pops there. It's gonna continue to go, dude, and absolutely no signs of price going back yet. I'm still waiting. That's it. That's kind of the setup. But dude, the battery is low, and that's everything. So what I am going to do is I'm going to stop streaming, but I will let the video continue in terms of I'm gonna let it record just so you can see literally the video while the trade. That's it. But dude, it's been actually a very long time. But it's what it is, people. Keep flaming. I'll see you later if I post the video. I'm gonna be truly honest about it. Again, there's full transparency. But I'm gonna keep recording it, and that's it. But I'm not streaming because I mean it's already 1 hour, dude. 1 hour and a half. Let me. No, it's 1 hour still. The reason why as well because of my Mac and OBS and my browser is taking time to charge. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and do something. Okay, I'm gonna let it, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream, but I'm still gonna put the video, recording it. I'm doing as well different things, so don't worry about it. But I think nothing happened. The good thing is with the setup, it's actually looking good. The only thing waiting for is price to come back, and then just, well, you know, the difference from yesterday actually is that price came quick to the entry, of course, and then I mean it's not too much of a gap. Easy it could be, but like, look at this, man. Price is just low today. So the reason I'm leaving this is that I'm gonna put at least a alert, just that I'll take this one out. That's it. But still, as a stream, I'm gonna end it. That'll not take so long. Oh, dude, where is the CRTH? Okay, doesn't matter. CRTH, CRTL. That's it. So I'll see you tomorrow. People keep flaming. Price slow today, but good. It is what it is. Still, I'll post a video on YouTube. That's why if you want to watch everything for full, I mean, you can watch the stream as well, but that's in case that you missed it. You can always look for at my YouTube video in the channel. So keep playing, people. Fight for God. Glory to God, man. God bless. Okay, so now as you see, I just ended the stream and continue with the video. I'm gonna end my webcam, as you can see there. I'm just gonna put my screen on trading view, and that's it. And I'm gonna put my audio, and that's it. But at this moment, what it is about the stream, it's over. So I'll put my webcam once it actually fills the price, but that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, camera out. Still listening to my voice. I'm gonna take the charger, man. Dude, price action gold so slow. Okay, charging now. Okay, finally it's going at least to my price. Getting close. that happen to you? Okay, price coming down, perfect as expected, but still not enough. I think at least gonna touch the RB, the rejection block, but I don't know how much until the middle of it. Actually, I'm gonna put my DSTV. Forget about that. I'm gonna put it 3 minutes to have it more clear. But look, I mean, still for me it's accumulation at all because this inside of the GAN box. But I think it could easily go to, look at the DSTB. I'm gonna put it to the CRTH. But look, it's perfect with everything. Come on, oh dude. I think easily this could be the longest video I ever made. From 3:30 to almost 5 and even more. Wow, dude, that'd be amazing. Nothing yet. Price action is low, dude. It's kind of boring. But I guess it is what it is. I'm gonna give it 30 more minutes, and I'm gonna end the video. It's gonna be so much to watch, dude, on YouTube. But I mean, nothing happened yet. Although the setup is there. But that's it. So I'm just gonna wait until 5:30. If nothing happens, I'm gonna close it. I'm still gonna live the limit, but hey. Perfect. Push it lower. Okay, going to my entry. Good thing. Nothing yet, dude, but still. And going to my entry now. Oh no! Yeah, dude. Okay, finally, dude.
Love is endless, don't be so pretentious. Be like you do. 'Cause I'm leaving soon.
Dude, the entry is not going in. I think I know I said like 30 more minutes, but literally there's nothing happening.
'Cause I'm leaving soon. 'Cause I'm leaving soon. 'Cause I'm leaving soon. 'Cause I'm leaving soon.
Okay, that's your RB. Body and teeth injected imbalance. I had it like around. I mean, it's 90-90, so it's actually very good as well. I think I'm gonna end the video, but I'm gonna leave it here. So I'll see you tomorrow, people. I've just been waiting almost an hour, 2 hours. 50 more minutes and we'll be 2 hours, but I think. Look at it, respected RB now it's gonna go. If it doesn't go into my entry, I think it will be no problem. Still, what I want to see is at least going to TP, or at least going to my entry going in. I'm gonna end the video, but still, If it does, of course I'm gonna post later about what happened. Okay, keep flaming people now. Yes, fire it out. God bless. Keep firing.